Ino ni thiko ya keri ya mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja RAILA ODINGA kwa bahema gitaru-ini kia Nyanza omuthi we na thiriti ya kiama gikinyia igongona-ini ria kuhingura kanitha wa Seventh Day wa Otho kaunti-ini ya Kisumu na thutha ucio igongona-ini ria kuhurukia anake kaunti-ini ya Vihiga aria marerikana moragirwo ni borithi hindi ya mirurungano ya Azimio. Umwe wa maria mekirirwo ari borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiru kuhindi ya mirurungano atongoria ngwataniro-ini no makimenereria kugiritania kwa mirurungano eno na uthukagia wa indo cia muingi makiuga giki no kigwatio gia borithi niguo maite thakame ya Kenya.
Polisi waliingia kwa estates baada ya maandamano, wakavunja milango, wakavamia raia.
As long as our children keep on dying for no reason, we will not be subdued.
Which property is destroying in Sondu? Which property is destroying in Migori? These are basically excuses to kill Kenyans in cold blood.
RAILA ODINGA akihinyiriria muingi ndurarurungana ni kwenda indi ni njira ya gutetia thirikari ni undu wa kwambatira kwa garama ya muturire na ona no matetie thirikari kugerera njira ingi.
People are not mad to go to the streets merely because RAILA said go to the streets. They are going there because of their good reasons to do so. They are talking about high cost of living. They are talking about high taxation. And next time we are not going to ask people to go out and demonstrate. We'll tell them, kaa nyumbani.
Mutongoria wa Azimio no gereirie tene wigiririki wa thirikari ya Kenya KWANZA gutungatira a Kenya othe mateguthutukania aria matamaikirie kura akimenereria guthutukanio gwa kabira imwe.
Kenya does not consist of only 2 tribes. Kenya consists of 46 tribes. Even those who did not vote for Kenya KWANZA are Kenyans.
Uteti wegimainie na miario iria munene wa borithi Koome erega kwaria no wiyumiririe atongoria ngwataniro-ini no makiuga ni mehariirie kuhuthira njira ciothe gutigirira Koome ni ehera giturwa-ini giki ari ni hamwe na kuhanda cira igoti-ini ria kimabũrũri rigie WIKINAI ICC.
These are real people with real families, and then somebody has the audacity to come and say that we have gone to the mortuary and bought bodies.
Mtu anaitwa Koome lazima akome kuwa IG wa Kenya sababu hafai kuwa kwenye hiyo ofisi.
Hatuwezi kuuza maiti kwa sababu ya siasa. Kwa hivyo wabunge wale wako hapa, na nimeona wabunge wako hapa chap chap kama mama Abuyo Rose, uende bungeni upeleke mswada, tunataka huyo Koome aende nyumba.
Ona gutuika atongoria a kidini ni makoretwo makihinyiriria miario gatagati ka miena yeri niguo kunina ndugamano. Mwandiki munene kiama-ini kia Jubilee Jeremia Kioni ni amokirire ni kwaga gukomithia njuragano iria cirerikana citafanitio ni borithi.
Want the church to remain steadfast, if only to be seen to be on the side of the people.
If the church cannot condemn the killing of Kenyans by police, 72 counting, then we start getting very worried about the church.
Miario ya wiguano egitanyagwo kwambiriria muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia giukite. Jikanirio ya miario gatagati ka President Ruto na RAILA ODINGA king'ang'a-ini ni umwe wa maria hihi marekirira nganja umithio uria ukaumana na miario eno. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.